If Blender is giving you error 21, don't worry. In this video, I'll show you the quickest fixes first, then the more reliable solutions to get Blender opening normally again. This error usually comes down to a permission problem, a corrupted install, missing dependencies, or even antivirus interference. So if Blender suddenly stopped working or it won't launch after an update, this guide is for you. And before we jump in, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more fast software fixes and tutorials. Alright, let's get straight into it. First, try the simplest fix. Run Blender as administrator. On Windows, find the Blender shortcut or the Blender app in your Start menu. Then right-click it and choose Run as administrator. This gives Blender the permissions it may need to start correctly, especially if the error is caused by access restrictions on your system. If Blender opens normally after this, then you've likely found the issue. If that doesn't work, restart your computer. A full restart can clear temporary conflicts, unlock stuck background processes, and refresh system permissions. Sometimes a simple reboot is all it takes for Blender error 21 to disappear. After the restart, try opening Blender again and see if the problem is gone. If Blender still won't launch, the next step is a clean reinstall. This is one of the most effective fixes, especially if the installation files are damaged. First, uninstall Blender from your system. Then, if you want to be extra thorough, remove any leftover Blender files from the installation folder and any related cached files if applicable. After that, download the latest version of Blender from the official website and install it again. A fresh install often resolves corrupted file issues that trigger error 21. Now let's look at another important cause: outdated GPU drivers. Blender relies heavily on your graphics hardware, so if your drivers are old or broken, the app may fail to launch properly. Open your GPU driver software or go directly to the manufacturer's website, then install the latest drivers for your graphics card. Whether you're using NVIDIA, AMD, or Intel, updating to the newest driver version can fix compatibility issues and improve Blender stability. If the error is still showing, antivirus software could be blocking Blender in the background. Some security tools can mistakenly flag Blender files or prevent the app from accessing needed resources. Try temporarily disabling your antivirus just long enough to test Blender. If Blender works while the antivirus is off, then you know the security software is causing the conflict. In that case, you can add Blender to the antivirus exceptions list instead of leaving protection disabled. Another useful step is checking your system files. On Windows, corrupted system files can sometimes affect Blender and cause launch errors. To do this, open Command Prompt as administrator. Press Start, type CMD, then right-click Command Prompt and choose Run as administrator. In the window that opens, type sfc/scannow and press Enter. Windows will scan your system for damaged files and try to repair them automatically. This process can take several minutes, so let it finish completely before you test Blender again. If you're still getting error 21 after that, it's worth checking whether the issue is tied to a deeper system or installation problem rather than Blender itself. That's why this error often gets fixed by a clean reinstall or by repairing Windows system files. In many cases, the problem is not the app alone, but something in the environment that's preventing it from loading correctly. So to quickly recap the best fixes: run Blender as administrator, restart your system, do a clean reinstall, update your GPU drivers, temporarily disable antivirus, and run sfc/scannow from an elevated command prompt. In most cases, one of those steps will resolve Blender error 21. If this tutorial helped you fix the issue, please give the video a thumbs up and subscribe for more troubleshooting guides, software fixes, and Blender tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.